Hello children, in this video we are going to study mathematics chapter number 3, a trip to Bhopal, page number 31. Now children, we saw that how children are enjoying the trip. Now it's the time for boating. Now they are thinking, which boat do we take? They are so lost in puzzle that they do not notice they have reached the lake. It is very big lake with a small island in it. The lake looks very beautiful at this time. There are a lot of ducks making a loud noise. Some children give them popcorn. Now comes the exciting part. It is time to go for boating. They have to choose which boat to take, but that is not easy. Now, there are different kinds of boat. Each has a different ticket price and also different trip times. Now, children, here the name of the boat, their ticket price and trip time is given. First one is double decker. Ticket price is 30 rupees. Trip time is 45 minutes. Paddle boat. Ticket price is 15 rupees. Trip time is 30 minutes. Motor boat. Ticket price is 25 rupees. Trip time is 20 minutes. Boat with oars, ticket price is 15 rupees and time is 45 minutes. Now children, we will solve the questions based on this table. Now here, see children, Indra and Bhanu first went in a motor boat and then took the oar boat. How much did they pay for both the boats? Now children, here I will see motor boat and boat with oars. What is the ticket price here for this motor boat and boat with oars? 25 rupees and 15 rupees. So here I will write 25 plus 15, that will give me 40 rupees. Now children, you know simple addition we have to do here. Now children, they are asking how much time did they get for both the rides. Again, now we are going to see in the time column, that is 20 minutes plus 45 minutes. That will give you 65 minutes. Now children, one group of children went for the double decker trip. They paid rupees 450 in total. How many children went for the double decker trip? Now children, in this question what we have to do? Yes, we have to divide. Now 450 rupees will be divided by the ticket price. What is the ticket price for a double decker? That is 30 rupees. And now children, if you divide, now see children, we are going to write the table of 30 here, and it is very easy to make the table of 30 in this way. And now we will take this 2 digit first. What is it? 45. Now if you see in this table, the less than 45 is 30. So 1s are 30. If you subtract 30 from 45, you will have here 5, 1. Now by rule, this 0 will come down. Now what is the number children with us? 150. Now if you see in this column, you will find that it is 5s. So 5 we will go right upside. So how many children went for this double decker trip children? 15. Now children, we have to see which boat makes 2 trips in 1 hour. Now children, 1 hour means how many minutes? 60 minutes. Now if you look at the table, you will find that paddle boat takes in one trip 30 minutes and double of 30 is 60. So which boat takes 2 trips in 1 hour? Paddle boat. Now children, which boat takes less than half an hour to complete a trip? Now children, half an hour means how many minutes? 30 minutes. And we have to find which boat takes less than half an hour to complete a trip. This is 30 minutes. This is 20 minutes. This is less than half an hour. So we are going to write here motor boat. Now children, they are asking which boat gives them the most time taking the least money. It means that in less money, which boat gives them most time. Now children, we will look for the money first in this table. Now children, the less money are for paddle boat and boat with oars, but more time is given by boat with oars. So children, which boat gives the most time taking the least money is boat with oars. Now children, Javed went twice for boating. He paid a total of rupees 40 and boated for 50 minutes. Which two boats did he take? Now children, he boated for 50 minutes and he paid 40 rupees. So that are, if you look in the table, you will find that it is paddle boat and motor boat he took. Okay children, now time to return. Children enjoy different boat rides till 4 o'clock. It is time to return. Now they will not stop anywhere and reach back in 2 hours. So they should reach Hoshangabad by what time? 2 hours. If you add 4, if they are leaving at 4 o'clock and if they are taking 2 hours, it means at what time they will reach? 6 o'clock. Now children, whenever you have to find out, have you ever been on school trip? How many children were there in all? How did you go and how far? How much time did it take? Try to find out the cost of travel for each child. So whenever you go for a school trip, you have to notice all these things children. Now children, it is practice time. There are 4 very old cave paintings. Mark the oldest. Now children, this is 4,200 years old. This is 8,500 years old. One is 1,000 years old and one is 1,300 years old. So out of these, which one is oldest? 8,500 years old. Now children, one bus can carry 48 children. How many children can 3 buses carry? Now children, we have to do here what? Multiplication. And if you multiply 48 multiplied by 3, you will have 144. Now that is about what children, to which it is nearer? 150. Now children, which pair of numbers add to make more than 500? If you add these two numbers, you will have here 393. If you add these two, you will have 398. If you add these two numbers, you will have 513. And if you add these two, you will have 500. So which pair of numbers add to make more than 500 children? This is more than 500. Now children, what happened at what time? Draw lines to match. Now we have gone through the lesson and we see that now we have to match the timings. Cross the Narmada bridge at 9:10 past 9. Now children looked at Bhimbetka paintings. At what time they looked at Bhimbetka paintings? Bhimbetka they reached at 11 and a half hours. Now children, at the petrol pump they reached at 9:30 a.m. Now children, boating in the lake they did at what time? 3 p.m. Now had lunch at what time? 12:30 p.m. Now return to Hoshangabad at what time? 6 p.m. Understood children? With this, we have completed this lesson, a trip to Bhopal. Hope you have understood the lesson. Children, I am sending you the worksheet of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Solve it. That will help you to improve your addition, subtraction, division and multiplication. Till then, bye children.